What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow the blue car to pass through. B. The blue car has to allow me to turn. C. I have to allow the cyclist to turn. The correct answers are A and C. You are turning left. You must yield to oncoming traffic. You must also yield to the cyclist who is crossing the road in front of you. What is the right course of action? A. The blue truck may proceed first. B. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. C. I may make the turn in front of the cyclist. The correct answer is B. You are turning right. You must yield to the cyclist who is continuing straight and is crossing the road you intend to enter. The blue truck must wait because it is turning left and has to yield to you. What is the right course of action? A. I have to stop on the stop line. B. I have to give way to the cyclist. C. I have to give way to the bus. The correct answers are A, B, and C. You are facing a stop sign, so you must stop on the stop line. You must also yield to all traffic on the priority road, which includes the cyclist and the bus. What is the right course of action? A. I may proceed before the motorcycle. B. The cyclist has to allow me to pass. C. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. The correct answers are A and C. You are driving straight ahead at an uncontrolled intersection. You must yield to the cyclist who is approaching from your right. The motorcycle is turning left and must yield to you. Therefore, you may proceed before the motorcycle, but you have to allow the cyclist to pass through. What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow the blue vehicle to pass. B. I may make the turn before the green vehicle. C. I have to allow the green vehicle to pass through. The correct answers are A and B. The supplementary sign indicates that the priority road is curving left. The blue vehicle is coming from the left on the priority road, so you must yield to it. The green vehicle is leaving the priority road. The green vehicle must yield to you. Therefore, you may make the turn before the green vehicle. What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow right-of-way to the blue car. B. I have to allow right-of-way to the red car. C. I have right-of-way ahead of the blue car. The correct answers are B and C. You are turning left. You must yield to the oncoming red car because it is proceeding straight. However, you have the right-of-way over the blue car, which is turning left out of the side street and across your path. What is the right course of action? A. I move first. B. I have to allow the yellow car to pass through. The correct answer is A. You are driving on a priority road. The yellow car is waiting to turn left onto the priority road from a side street which appears to have a give way sign. Therefore, you have the right of way and move first. In what sequence may each continue driving? A. The cyclist, the yellow car, me. B. Me, the cyclist, the yellow car. C. The cyclist, me, the yellow car. The correct answer is C. The cyclist, following the priority road course, goes first. You, leaving the priority road to go straight, and go second. The yellow car, turning onto the priority road from a non-priority road, goes last. Who can move first in this situation? A. The blue tractor. B. Me. C. The red car. The correct answer is B. The blue tractor is turning left and the red car is driving straight. You are also driving straight and are on the right side of the road. Since the tractor turning left must yield to oncoming traffic traveling straight, you in the red car, and the red car is behind you, you move first. What is the right course of action here? A. I warn the cyclist by sounding the horn. B. I wait until the cyclist has completed the turn. C. I take priority before the cyclist. The correct answer is B. You are turning left. The cyclist is approaching from the opposite direction and is continuing straight. Traffic turning left must yield to oncoming traffic that is proceeding straight. Therefore, you must wait for the cyclist to pass before completing your turn.